Hello guys, so as we are all done with fuzzy, so now it's time to code. So here I am importing the basic libraries of Python, that is NP, importing and numpy as NP, and as I am coding for fuzzy, so I am importing skfuzzy and as fuzz, and also from skfuzzy I am importing control as ctrl. Okay, so next is what actually I have recorded here is that someone has gone to a restaurant and he has to give a tip to the waiter. Okay, and the tip depends upon two factors, that is your quality of food and service. Okay, the quality is rated on a scale range of 0 to 10 and service too is rated on a scale range of 0 to 10, and tip is on a percentage of 0 to 25%. Okay, so depending upon the quality provided and the service provided, the actually not you will decide, the fuzzy system will decide that how much tip will be given to the waiter, right? So basically what it tells there are two things. Okay, first one is your two inputs, I mean quality and service as your two inputs, and tip is your one output. So quality service are your antecedents or input, and tip is your consequent, or you can say your output, right? So now we have to record these three things, like quality is equal to control ctrl dot antecedents, and in the bracket you have to write the two things, that is the input variable name, that is of course quality, and the second thing is your arrange. So what is arrange? Arrange is actually a function from the numpy library, and there are three parameters for the function, that is your start, stop and your step. So start is your 0, stop is your 11, and step is your 1. So what a step basically is, I mean it will define how the series will extend. Like if step is 1, the series will be like 0 1 2 3 4 8 9 10, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and if the step will be 2, the series will be like 0 and 2 will be added, so 0 2 4 6 8 10, right? So in the same way I have written the service is also recoded, and finally tip is your consequent, and in the array in the range you have your parameters like a tip and your 0 to 26, and the step is your 1, right? Because the percentage of tip is still 25%. Okay, so how much the percent last value tip is 25%, so you have to, the stop will be 1 more than that, and it will work till 25, right? So next is, after we are all set with the input and output variables, we are all defined with it, so now it's time to go for membership function. So for quality and service I have used AutoMF, that is automatically it will assign the membership values. Okay, membership function, everything will be done automatically, and here you can see I have written in the parameter quality dot service as well as step, I have given the parameter as 3. Why 3? Because the quality and service has three regions, that is poor, average and good. Okay, there are three regions. Okay, but for tip it is written explicitly. You can see now how the explicit things are done. Like tip, there are three regions, so you can write low, medium, high is equals to your fuzz. Okay, fuzz dot trimf. Trimf is your nothing but your triangular membership function, and in the parameter you have to write tip dot universe, and the parameters are 0 0 13. So you can see the membership function of tip, you can see over here that you can see for the low regions it is starting from 0, and its high value is 1, so its high value is, yeah, you can see that 0 and its high value is 1, and last value is 13, so it is 0 starting for 0, right? Its high value is also 1, that is 0 in a scale x-axis, it is 0, and the last value is 13, so it is 0 0 13. For average also you can see starting from 0, the one value or the highest value is at 13, right? And the end value is at 25, so 0 13 25. And for the high region starting from 13, the highest it's reaching at 25, right? And the last value is 25, so 0 25 25. So that only written over here in the bracket. Okay, 0 0 13, 0 13 25, and 13 25 25. Okay, these things are defined explicitly, everything is defined. And as now we are done with the membership function, so now it's time I have just make a view, right? If you want to go on and see how the membership function actually looks like, so you can see I have written quality. In the parameter I have provided average.view. Okay, you can view the membership function of quality, how it looks like, you can view it. And let's have a look over service. Okay, you can see how the service membership functions look like, and also you can have a view of your tip, right? So what's the difference like writing service.view and quality in the parameter average.view? The difference is you can see the average part is highlighted. Okay, the average part is highlighted, right? But if just and simply invoking service.view, then there is no highlighted part, right? So this is the only difference. So as we are done with our membership functions, now it's time to rule. Okay, to go for rules. So here I'm defining 3 rules. Okay, rule 1 for your poor region, rule 2 is for your average region, and rule 3 is for your good region. Okay, so rule 1 is equals to, you can say, your CTRL dot rule. So inside the rule 3 parameters are provided: 2 antecedents, quality and service, and 1 consequent, that is your tip. And rule 1 is for your poor region, so poor, and tip, obviously it will be for low, so low region is provided in the, and here, yeah, you can see the rule. If you write rule.v, you can see how the rule structure look like actually, right? So after that, you can, there's a similar way you can write for rule 2 and 3. You can input average. Okay, it is for average, and the 2 input parameters, quality, service, as well as your tip. Okay, and I have used an AND variable between the 2 inputs, right? After that, the next is, you can, okay, now is rule all set, the rule is all set. Now it's time for control system of fuzzy, right? So what we have to do, I have defined a tipping underscore controller variable I have defined is equals to CTRL dot control system. It's invoking the control system, and inside the control system the 3 rules are inputted as your parameters, right? So control system invokes the 3 rules, and it is initialized or equalized to your tipping underscore control variable. And in the next line, again I'm taking, again a variable tipping is taken, so is equals to control dot, it's simulation, right? Control system simulation is done, and in the parameter tipping underscore control, that is your 3 rules is there inside your tipping underscore control. Okay, the 3 rules are inputted as a parameter, and it is equalized to your tipping. So now your invoking of control system and working of your simulation all set. Okay, now the part is you have to input your quality, you have to rate your quality, how, what is you want to give your quality and service provided, you have to input. Okay, so next you have to tipping dot input, and you have to input is, because tipping is the main variable consisting of the simulation everything, right? So I have provided 6.5, 9.8, right? And after providing the value, what you have to do now, you have to compute. Okay, tipping the compute means it will compute everything. Okay, after computation, finally if you want to go for the result, you want to know what is actually the tipping value, percentage value coming in, so you have to go for a print option. Okay, after print you have to print the value of the tip. So here it's coming something like 19.84, around 20% it's coming. So if I'm giving your tip like quality is 6.5 and service is 9.8, something around 19.84, you can say 20%. It's saying that you should give 20% tip to the waiter. Okay, in a scale of 0 to 25%, you need to give a 20% tip, right, to the waiter. Okay, so if you want to view also the tip, if you want to have a view on your tip membership function after the computation, how the things are things are done, the figure you want to view. So here you can see there is a black color line over here which shows that your tip should be around 19.4, you can say 20%. Okay, so it's all about coding of fuzzy. Okay, the tipping problem I have recoded, it's all about that. So hope it's going good. I mean, hope you're getting everything, you're getting all the things are going. So I hope you like the videos. Do subscribe to the channel set as much as possible, and just like the video. So stay tuned, I'm gonna come up with the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.